Today we'll be teaching you how to fix your Maytag dishwasher. This repair guide will cover both error codes and troubleshooting tips in hopes of getting your appliance back on track. For more information, check out our website. There's a link in the description. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your Maytag dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Maytag dishwasher error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code 0. Problem. If only this symbol is displayed. The controller did not detect any errors. Fix. None required. All is working properly. Code F0. Problem. Control board error. Fix. Control board door circuit does not appear to be operating properly. Check control board. Code F1. Problem. Motor fault, motor current not changing. Fix. Check the wiring to the motor from the control board. Check for a bad motor. Code F2. Problem. Heater fault, heater current not changing. Fix. Check the wiring to the heater from the control board. Check for a bad heater. Open high limit thermostat. Code F3. Problem. High current error. Fix. This error is probably caused by the heater or motor being energized when it should not be. This could be due to faulty wiring shorts or a welded relay. This error could also be caused by line current surges seen by the current sensor. Code F4. Problem. Detergent fault, no conductivity change. Fix. Check that consumer is using detergent in the main cup. Check the detergent cup wax motor and the wiring to and from the wax motor. Code F5. Problem. Rinse aid fault. Fix. Check connector from the control board to rinse dispenser. Check for a bad rinse aid dispenser. Code F7. Problem. Turbidity sensor fault. Fix. A bad turbidity sensor reading has occurred. Check connections to wash process sensor from the control board. Also check for properly operating wash process sensor. Finally, check control board. Code F8. Problem. Wash and fault. Fix. A bad washer arm reading has occurred. Check connections to the wash process sensor from the control board. Check the pump for the correct backwash arms and alignment of the sensor. Check for properly operating wash process sensor. Finally, check the control board. Code F9. Problem. Thermistor fault. Fix. A bad temperature sensor reading has occurred. Check connections to the wash process sensor from the control board. Also, check for properly operating wash process sensor. Finally, check the control board. Code 1F0. Problem. Washer arm senior error. Fix. Check magnet in back rinse arms in the pump. Check for operational sensor cluster. Check user loading pattern. Code 1F1. Problem. Conductivity fault. Fix. A bad conductivity sensor reading has occurred. Check connections to the wash process sensor from the control board. Also, check for properly operating wash process sensor. Finally, check the control board. Code 1F2. Problem. High limit thermostat. Fix. Check the high limit thermostat for operation. Code 1F3. Problem. Communication problem. Fix. A bad communication to the sensor has occurred. Check connections to the wash process sensor from the control board. Also, check for properly operating wash process sensor. Finally, check the control board. Code 1F4. Problem. Cold water problem. Fix. Check with the consumer to make sure the inlet water temperature is near 120*F. If necessary, suggests that the kitchen faucet be started before the cycle is to get hotter water to the dishwasher from the start. Code 1F5. Problem. Current sensor bad. Fix. A bad current sensor on the control board has been detected. Check to make sure connections to the board are correct and the black power line is properly connected to the VS spade terminal on the board. If you're looking for help fixing your Maytag dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Maytag dishwasher troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Maytag dishwasher not starting or not operating. There are several reasons why your Maytag dishwasher not starting or not operating. The control lock is on. The dishwasher is in sleep mode. The delayed wash option is selected. The door is not completely closed and latched. The water supply is not turned on. The power needs to be cycled to reset the dishwasher. Has a delay wash option been selected? A delay wash option runs the dishwasher at a later time or during off-peak electrical hours. If the delay wash has been selected, the dishwasher will not run until the delay time is reached. To turn off the delay wash feature, press cancel. Drain to cancel the delay. Press Start. Resume to start the cycle. Is the door completely closed and latched? Make sure that the door is completely closed and latched. A lower dish rack that is installed backward can also cause the door to not latch properly. Is the water supply turned on to the dishwasher? Make sure the dishwasher water supply is turned on. See installation instructions for your model if you are unsure how to check this. How to reset the dishwasher. Much like a computer, resetting the dishwasher control can sometimes solve the issues you are experiencing. To reset the dishwasher control panel, it needs to be disconnected from the power source for 1 minute. If your dishwasher is plugged into an outlet, simply unplug the unit for 1 minute and then plug the unit back in. If the dishwasher is hardwired to the power supply, turn the breaker off at the home electrical panel that powers the dishwasher for 1 minute and then turn the breaker back on. If you're looking for help fixing your Maytag dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Maytag dishwasher repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Maytag manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Maytag appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Maytag dishwasher not cleaning. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the valve is clogged or defective, the dishwasher won't get enough water to clean dishes properly. If the water inlet valve is clogged, replace it. Do not attempt to clean the water inlet valve. Cleaning the valve could make it more likely to fail. Maytag dishwasher not draining. Drain impeller. The drain impeller pushes water through the drain hose and into the garbage disposer or drain line. If the impeller is broken, replace it. Maytag dishwasher buttons not working. Touchpad. First, confirm that the dishwasher display is working. If the display is still working, try pressing some of the touchpad buttons. If some of the buttons respond correctly but others don't, it is likely that the touchpad is at fault. Some manufacturers sell the touchpad separately from the control panel. Other manufacturers require that you purchase the touchpad and control panel together. If you cannot replace the touchpad individually, replace the touchpad and control panel. Maytag dishwasher lights flashing or blinking. Heating element. The heating element heats up the water to operating temperature. If the water doesn't reach the proper temperature after a set amount of time, a light on the control panel might start flashing. To determine if the heating element has burned out, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the heating element does not have continuity, replace it. Maytag dishwasher leaking. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the water inlet valve is stuck open, the dishwasher will continue to fill with water until the dishwasher leaks or overflows. If the water inlet valve is at fault, replace it. Water inlet valves are not repairable if the valve is defective. You must replace it. Maytag dishwasher leaking from motor area. Impeller and seal kit. First, try to determine the source of the leak. If the water is leaking from the motor shaft area, the motor shaft seal is likely defective. If the seal is defective, replace it. Some manufacturers sell the seal independently of the impeller. Other manufacturers require that you purchase the impeller and seal together. Still, other manufacturers require that you purchase the entire pump and motor assembly instead of the impeller and seal. It is usually more cost-effective to replace the impeller and seal kit rather than the pump and motor assembly. Maytag dishwasher won't start. Door switch. The door switch prevents the dishwasher from running while the door is open. If the door switch is defective, the switch will prevent the dishwasher from running even when the door is closed. To determine if the door switch is at fault, use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity. If the switch does not have continuity, replace it. Maytag dishwasher won't latch. Door hinge. If the door hinges are damaged, the door won't be able to latch properly. Inspect the door hinges for damage. If a hinge is bent or broken, replace it. Maytag dishwasher dispenser not dispensing soap bi-metal. The bi-metal actuator is a metal loop that acts as a latch for the dispenser door. As electricity is applied to the bi-metal, it deforms and bends away from the latch, releasing it. If the bi-metal is burned out, it won't release the dispenser door. To determine if the bi-metal has burned out, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the bi-metal does not have continuity, replace it. In addition, make sure that the dishwasher is getting enough water. If the water level is too low, the wash motor may not draw enough current through the bimetal. causing the bimetal not to bend enough to work properly. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more repair guides.